if you are small and cute, then this video is very much for you because it sits above your waistline, so it creates a illusion to a higher waistline. Wearing the same color from head to toe, vertical lines are your best friend in this case. Trust me, they give the best height to your torso. Bach, bach, ये पोरा सा बच्चा. What's up cuties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel or seeing this face for the first time, then hi, this is me Nidhi. I make videos related to fashion and beauty, and if you like these kind of content, then you are on the right place, and hit the subscribe button. And if you like any of my content, then don't forget to like it. And this is my Instagram handler, you can go there and follow me there as well. So for today's video, I have something very special for all my petite girlies. Like, if you are small and cute, then this video is very much for you. So in this video, I have everything sorted for you, like the styles, the tips, the color combination, like how you should style and what you should be wearing to elongate your height and everything. So yeah, I'll be sharing all the tips which I personally apply on myself, because I'm also not very tall. I'm 5'2" by the way, so sometimes I also struggle with these things. So I thought, why not share it with you all. So yeah, let's begin the video, and I hope this video will help you some way. If you are struggling with style and everything, then I hope this will help you. And चलो शुरू करते हैं. So first I'm gonna start with the high-waisted pant, bottom or skirt, whatever you want to call it. So in bottom wear, I'm gonna include all the high-waisted skirt, pants, trousers, jeans and everything. So because it sits above your waistline, so it creates a illusion to a higher waistline, like आपका torso थोड़ा छोटा लगता है as compared to the legs. So what it does, it gives the illusion of longer legs, so it helps a lot. And you can pair your high-waisted trouser, jeans or skirt with a crop top or something like that, or you can tuck in your tops, so it gives the shorter torso illusion. And also it will give you the illusion of longer legs and shorter torso. So it's a perfect hack to elongate your legs. So next is monochromatic look. If you don't know what is monochrome, so it's basically wearing the same color from head to toe, or maybe different shades in the same color family. Monochrome outfit will give you a continuous line which visually elongates your frame. It's one of the easiest length to add length without wearing heels. Opt for a single color from head to toe, or you can use the different shades from the same color family. Perfect example for this is all black outfit. How black makes you look tall. Like if you are wearing a full black outfit, like tops, jeans, boots, everything is black, then it will automatically give you a height. Next is vertical lines or patterns, or maybe it can be a seam. Vertical lines are your best friends. So yes, you can include some patterns with like vertical stripes going on, or maybe a trouser with the front seam which goes vertical. Vertical lines are your best friend in this case. Vertical lines, seams or maybe pleats create an illusion of long height. Dresses with vertical details or pants with vertical seams can be a great option. In this case, you can avoid horizontal lines or patterns or seams, because they tend to give you an illusion of wider frames instead of giving you height. So please avoid horizontal lines or patterns. Next is V neckline. So yes, maybe you are not comfortable wearing V neckline, but trust me, they give the best height to your torso. So what it does, it drags the attention toward your torso and elongate it in illusion. This works well with dresses, tops, or maybe cardigan. What it does, it gives you the illusion of height and साथ ही साथ वो आपकी neckline को भी बहुत highlight करता है. So it's the best option if you wear a V neckline. Next is baggy clothes. I know हम आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है baggy clothes, but if you are petite then you have to balance it. तो इसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट है कि whenever you are wearing a baggy cloth, try to merge it with a fitted pair. So if you are going baggy on the bottoms, try to wear something feminine and fitted on the top. Or if you are going with a baggy shirt, then try to wear something fitted on the bottom. So if you are wearing a baggy bottom, it will give you an illusion of longer legs, and try to wear heels underneath so it will give you a proper height if you are wearing a baggy cloth. Next is shoes. So shoes that cut off at the ankle can make you look shorter. Instead, you can go for pointed flats or nude heels. If you still love ankle boots, then I would suggest you to go with the same color as your skin or maybe nude shade. Bach. You poor bachcha. So last but not the least are the mini skirt and the short length dresses, which we all love to wear. So if you are wearing mini skirt or shorter length dress like above the knees or something like that, then they are perfect for you because they make your leg look longer and elongated. And if you like to wear midi length dresses or a skirt, then make sure they have a slit with the same length or something like that, so they will give you a longer length ka illusion, which is perfect for you. So these are my top tips and hacks for all the petite girlies out there, from high-waisted bottoms to nude heels. These tips are designed for all the petite girlies to look more confident and taller. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video will help you some way and you will feel more confident now on. So yeah, till then you can like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. So bye bye.